All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the fourth Debutify webinar. I'm your host, as always. My name's Marie, and I'm so excited to be here with you all today. Now, before we dive into the topic of this day, let's do a quick recap of our last webinar. In our last webinar, we talked about the Debutify cart maximizers and how they can help you increase your sales by encouraging your customers to add more items to their carts. And I hope you all had a chance to try them out and see the results for yourselves. But now let's move on to our topic of the day, Debutify's conversion trigger add-ons. As we all know, it can be a bit frustrating when a customer adds items to their carts but don't follow through with the purchase. I mean, we've all done that, right? But fear not, because today we'll show you how these add-ons can reduce your cart abandonment rate and increase your conversion rates. So whether you're a seasoned e-commerce pro or just starting out, you're in the right place. And for those of you who aren't already using Debutify, get ready to see how these add-ons can transform your e-commerce site and make you want to switch themes. Now, before we get started, I have to warn you though, these add-ons are so powerful. They might just blow your socks off. So if you're not wearing any socks, that might be a good time to go put them on. All right, let's get started. Cart abandonment. You guys know this a lot. Cart abandonment is a common problem for business owners. It occurs when customers add products to their cart but do not complete the purchase. Imagine shopping in a physical store, adding items to your cart and then just abandoning that cart at a random stall. That is cart abandonment. Today, we'll be discussing the common reasons for cart abandonment and why it should alarm you. But don't worry, we'll also be sharing some tips on how to improve your cart abandonment rates and boost conversion on your e-commerce site. So let's get started. One of the most common reasons for cart abandonment is a complicated checkout process. If customers have to go through a long and complicated checkout, they might just get annoyed and leave without completing the purchase. So it's essential to make the checkout process super simple and hassle-free to make it easier for your customers to complete the transaction. Another reason for cart abandonment is unexpected fees. Customers don't like surprises, especially when it comes to costs. So if they encounter hidden or unexpected fees, during the checkout, they might abandon their cart. So it's crucial to be transparent about the fees and avoid any hidden charges. Lastly, offering discounts and free delivery is a great way to attract customers and encourage them to complete their purchase. Customers love discounts and free delivery, and if you're not offering them, they might abandon their cart. A high cart abandonment rate should alarm you because it can affect your customer loyalty and conversion rate. If customers are not completing their purchases, you might not have enough loyal customers. It's essential to reassess your marketing strategies and your website just to improve your customer loyalty. Having a high cart abandonment rate can also mean you're having a low conversion rate. As a business owner, one of your goals is making sales, right? And having a high cart abandonment rate could affect your sales. So let's try to curb that rate as soon as possible. Finally, if your shopping cart abandoners are mostly first-time buyers, it might be because they don't trust your e-commerce store yet. You need to gain their trust by providing product reviews and gaining their confidence. So let's discuss some powerful tactics that will help you increase your e-commerce sales and revenue. First up, we have the cart discount add-on. Offering discounts is a great way to attract new customers and encourage them to complete their purchases with you. With Debutify's cart with Debutify's cart discount add-on, you can allow your customers to use the exact discount code in their carts before checking out. You can also reward them with discount codes when they share their products on social media using the social discount add-on. This feature not only boosts customer loyalty and brand awareness, but it can also reduce your cart abandonment rate. Next, we have the discount saved add-on, which shows how much your customers saved on the product pages. This creates a sense of enticement and urgency that drives more customers to check out their carts. You can also pair this with other add-ons to create a more compelling-ish offer. Then we have the skip cart add-on. This is a powerful way to push your customers to complete their purchases. And with this add-on, you can send customers directly to the checkout page when the add to cart button is clicked. Now, we all want to have a smooth sailing shopping experience, right? And that's why it's important to have adding products to the cart and checking out a seamless process. And with the sticky add to cart add-on, your add to cart button stays in place even if your customers scroll down the page. It's super convenient for your customers and can increase your conversion rate. And speaking of cart abandonment, we all know how important it is to gain trust and credibility from your customers. So make sure that you have this trust badge. With the Trust Badge add-on, you can ensure your customers that their payment details are safe and secure. Plus, it's customizable to show payment icons based on your payment methods. But wait, guys, there's more. Offering upsells can be also a great way to entice your customers to check out their carts. With the Upsell pop-up add-on, you can trigger a pop-up with upsell options whenever your customer clicks on certain products. And with the Upsell add-on, you can show other items that are perfect to go with the product in their cart. And with the Upsell bundles add-on, you can show other items that are perfect to go with their product. And with the Upsell bundles add-on, you can show other items that are perfect to go with the product in their cart. Sorry about that. Got a little bit of takeaway. Anyway, that's what we have for you today. Thank you for joining us in another webinar. And this is about reducing cart abandonment rate in your e-commerce store with Debutify add-ons. We hope you learned a lot and found these tips helpful in optimizing your online store. Remember, reducing cart abandonment rate is crucial in increasing your e-commerce conversion rates and ultimately to grow your business. So with Debutify's powerful and user-friendly add-ons, you can easily make the necessary changes to your website and produce a smooth and convenient shopping experience for your customers. Don't forget to try these add-ons as we discussed today and follow the step-by-step tutorials on how to install them on your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. We're always here to help. Lastly, make sure you check out our other webinars and watch out for the future webinars to learn more about our other add-ons. Thank you so much. Thank you again. And we wish you all the best in your e-commerce journey. Cheers, guys.